Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Epson printer to a computer. First, identify the connection options available on your specific printer model. Next, gather all necessary cables, such as a USB cable, or ensure you have your wireless network name and password ready. Finally, prepare to install the correct printer drivers, which are essential for your computer to communicate effectively with the device. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful setup process. Connecting via a USB cable is often the simplest method. Begin by powering on both your Epson printer and your computer. Take one end of your USB cable and firmly insert it into the designated USB port on your printer. Then, connect the other end of the USB cable into an open USB port on your computer. Your computer should typically recognize the new hardware automatically, prompting you for the next steps in driver installation. For a wireless connection, navigate to your Epson printer's control panel and select the wireless setup option. The printer will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your network's name from the displayed list. Carefully enter your Wi-Fi password using the printer's keypad or touchscreen. Once connected, confirm the settings and print a test page to ensure your printer is communicating successfully with your wireless network and computer. After physically connecting your printer, it is crucial to install the correct drivers. Visit the official Epson support website to download the latest drivers specific to your printer model and operating system. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once installed, open any document on your computer, select your Epson printer, and perform a test print. This final step confirms that your printer is fully operational and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.